Hi guys, today me and my brother will be playing rivals and we'll be like doing 1v1s and probably as well go in some mirror matchups.
Yeah.
So first we're going to be doing some 1v1s. Where you at?
Where are you at?
Bridge?
I'm getting out of the map.
Bridge? We're going to go for bridge first because, yeah, why not?
I want to use a half-on station. Okay, I guess you choose.
I guess, guys, I'm going to go with sniper, daggers, fists. I
will
mean
use
knife.
the RPG and flare gun and hands and the normal grenade.
Alright.
And the normal grenade.
He's going with the normal grenade. Going on the bus.
Oh yeah.
Where you at?
Oh, I'm here. Oh yeah. Ouch. I hit myself.
Yo, I see him.
Oh.
Going in with the daggers. 20-40. And we're gonna go in close.
Did you get hit?
No.
Oh, did you get hit now? No, did you get hit?
I'm going in with the knife, y'all.
You did not.
Bro has auto aim on, but I managed to kill him with the knife.
Oh my gosh, you're so much better, man. If I was on dogs, you would get destroyed.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use my burst rifle, but it's...
He's going with the best rifle.
Silver? I don't have my things. Look at my screen. Okay, I can't.
Ready?
Look at it.
Yo, get back here.
I'm not able to hold anything.
You're literally holding the assault rifle right now.
Really?
Really, my G.
Oh!
Die.
Yo! The daggers are...
OP.
Yeah.
At first, when the daggers were released, I didn't really like them, but I guess doing the mirror matchups, they were perfect.
Yeah.
Movement with the...
I dare you to only stay up there.
Nah, y'all. Sniped him.
How are you a sniper?
Guys, I'm gonna go and backstab him, I think, or I'm gonna go with the daggers.
Okay. You.
Oh.
There, I said you can only go up there.
Too bad.
Oh my god.
Thanks for the boost, guy.
Gang? Well, gang first.
Guys, you see the up there, like, you see blocks for grandes, daggers,
I'm
settings?
getting out of the map. I don't care if you say anything. Warning, return to safe zone. Warning, return to safe zone. Warning.
Bro's an idiot. Come back. So you want to go, he made my streak increase to 19. Thanks, buddy. I'm going to invite him to my party so then we can go in some mirror matchups. Because why not?
Sure. Some mirror matchups. Like a
Did you accept? Alright, let's go. 3v3.
I don't know.
I want them to add double trouble back.
Yeah. It's so good. We have 2 guns.
Yeah, alright. I'm gonna destroy these people. My brother has aimbot on because he's on the little phone. He stole my other alta guns, we could say. No way! Oh, okay, that's nice. That's nice.
He has a 1.
Let's go.
Someone yelled that. Where did he hit
Hey,
Where did he
I
hit
paintballed him. Hey, go back in there. Go back in flame. Rip, I died. He's medium. There we go. My brother did it.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, I have... Our guy's not bad. Hey, daggers.
No.
I hate the gunblade, even though I bought it. I thought it would be good.
Yeah, it's only good for slapping people.
No, seriously, it's the worst. The movement's so trash. It's just like the battle axe, if I'm honest.
I'm honest that everyone is chasing me right now. Literally,
Hey.
that someone is literally chasing me. I have two of them chasing me.
Two guys on you. Don't worry,
I killed one.
No, I got both of them.
No,
You just,
I killed this person right here.
no, boy, you got assist on both of them.
I got.
Hey, EXO.
Oh.
Gunblade sucks.
Yeah.
But
I'm gonna do it.
looks like we have to use Gunblade either way. Hey. Bro tried flashing me. Die now.
I flashed you and then.
Hey, one of the guys AFK, give me the kill. Why'd I get assist? I got assist. Die, buddy. Hey, I got eliminated and you got assist.
Yeah.
Let's go. It's 3-2-0 right now. Oh,
Sniper rifle. Sir?
Try
to just what I'm gonna do. Stop.
Why did you spawn it in our base? Guys, this guy sucks.
Okay. Now let's run.
No, guys, they have to improve the movement for the sniper. Like, seriously. Why is the movement so low? I think next time I would join Fortnite.
Next time.
Yo, I saw him in there. I didn't even get to snipe that round.
Yeah.
And it's already match point.
I want to actually run him.
No, wait.
Can you please let me kill them for one time?
No, my G.
For once.
Please let me go up.
Oh. I see him. I see him. Oh, yo. I'm gonna kill him.
Nah, I'm trash with this.
Oh, he's gonna kill me. I thought I was gonna kill
You're dead?
No, I'm killing him. I was gonna kill him.
I succeed him. He's medium.
Okay.
Hey, you got him.
I got him. I am gonna
Well, it's 5-0 and yeah, somehow he managed to do more damage than me. That's alright.
I decided to do more damage than me.
And I did more damage than him. And we already got another. Right. So, my brother's going DAON. Down.
Yeah. You are going down like a toilet.
Dude, he's trying to do some stupid ass roasts when he can't even roast.
Well, you can't even roast.
Hey, they're throwing smokes.
They're throwing a smoke grenade.
Hey, I'm behind somebody.
Smoke grenade parties.
Hey, stop it.
I'm gonna throw a smoke grenade.
I can't see anything.
Yeah, because I throw a smoke grenade to help you.
I can't hear anyone.
Oh. I see someone. I'm trying to kill him.
I'm using the sound of my brother's
I killed him.
phone because he has volume max, I think. I don't know.
I killed one. I killed one with my chainsaw. He was AFK.
I have 2 kills. You have 1. That's great to be at. Hey, sniper.
Oh wait.
I'm using the handgun to go up. Cause sniper, they have to increase the movement speed, like the knife. Like, make it just like the knife. Hey, sniped somebody. 70. Come up. Yeah.
I got sniped. I was full health. He sniped me. I wasn't looking either.
I'm gonna die. Why did I run into him? My bad.
If you had a handgun, you would do better. The shorty.
Alright, I'm gonna go in with the scythe.
I'm going in with the scythe. Oh yeah.
Alright. Oh my goodness. I have to go in with the shorty, I guess.
Oh.
Oh no, don't let them land any hits on you.
I killed him. Oh.
I'm dead. One guy's full. Nah, you're not gonna win this.
Oh.
I told you.
Okay.
Alright. I just hope we win this.
I hope I could throw a Molotov on them.
Molly.
Molly.
There's a Molly right there. Oh.
I throw a Molly right there.
Flare him. I flayed him, I think. Yes, I did that.
It said that I got eliminated.
I eliminated another guy. Oh, okay. Because we got flays and mollies, we won that game. Seriously, Gunblade.
Gunblade.
DBH, the Gunblade and the...
I have the Gunblade.
Yeah, he decided... I told him the Gunblade's trash because I bought it with 45 keys because I thought it was going to be good. It turns out it's trash. Going in with the EXO. Okay, my brother's is technically raging.
No, I'm technically next to someone and he's running away.
I'll steal it. You go with the other guy, dude.
No, you mean
Other guy's dead.
I assassinated him, but you killed him.
You assisted him.
Yeah.
We're gonna lose this one, I think.
You're a bad one.
What do you?
I said you're a bad. Wait. It shows that I am able to switch weapons. Okay, it didn't exactly when I pressed. I thought it would really let me switch.
Hey, I hit somebody with a flare. I eliminated him with the shotty gun, and somebody's behind me.
And now I killed
That's
someone.
not nice.
I killed someone.
Yo, bro, why am I only getting one reload each time? Couldn't these reloads be no more faster?
I killed someone.
Okay.
Let me check how much
I have 7 kills. You have 4. Our teammate has like literal. How many? 2. Not bad. I'm going. How many assists do I have? 3. That you have 3. Bro, I got flashed. That ain't good.
I was flying in the sky and then someone punched me.
I'm going in with the grenade.
I'm going in.
I killed the guy. Okay.
Oh, I see a guy and I tried.
He's in front of me. How did I not see that?
I saw him and then I tried to kill him and then you went.
There.
Oh.
Yo, I'ma die.
Oh,
I can't die, bro. He has medium health. Bro, you're just missing every single shot. Finally, he landed a shot. And now we're gonna kill him. This is our last match. We're gonna defeat them.
I think I can shorty him.
This is the worst weapon with the gunblade, DBH.
DBS, he is so bad. That gun is so bad. That gun is so bad.
Okay, my brother seems to be kinda trying to win.
I'm trying to kill someone with it, with this thingy. And
With what?
With the roblox, of course.
I assisted. Assist. This is gonna be not bad. Yo.
I'm coming to save you.
And I'm dead. It's not good. You're the only one alive. Oh, well, you're gonna give them sudden death. Oh my goodness.
I tried to kill.
Alright.
I was on someone.
This is our. Okay, should we go subspace? Let me use the Uzi to.
Something is on my screen and it keeps annoying me. Oh, got someone with that. Oh my gosh. Someone is, he's full health.
That guy.
Yeah, he killed me. He's full health. Oh.
I guess he was only 35. There we go, guys. That's it for today's. I guess we won.
For today.
I guess that's it for today. And turns out I was the best.
Well,
player.
I did more damage than our teammate.
Obviously, I had 10 kills. You had 5. You had 5 assists. I stole 5 assists. He had 6 assists. No, sorry about that. I had 7 assists. I had 5 deaths. You had 2 assists. He has 4 assists.
How many deaths did I have?
You had like 5.
5?
You died all 5 rounds. No way, boy. I died only 4 rounds, I think. Yeah? Okay, we're just gonna open a crate and then I'm just gonna get.
Yes, you did die 4 rounds.
Yeah, I'm just gonna open some crates and that's it. No, seriously, let's just check what we get.
You only open your crate and be quiet and like
Alright, let's just see this and then okay. I'm gonna put the blush wrap. I already have one, so that's it for today.
Bye bye.
Yeah, bye.